Hi, third graders. For today's response to reading, you listened to a story called Grace for President. And in the story, both Grace and Thomas had good ideas for why they would make a good president for their school. So for today, you're going to type a paragraph that's at least 5 sentences. Check your spelling, check your punctuation as you're going. You're going to type this paragraph in the purple box over here on the left. And you're going to tell who you would vote for. Are you going to vote for Grace or are you going to vote for Thomas? And why you would pick that candidate. Then over here in the box on the right, you're going to choose one of their campaign promises that you liked the most and type it in this box. So again, make sure that you read the story Grace for President. You're typing in a paragraph to tell who you would vote for and why, and then which campaign promise that they decided on did you think was the best.